All right, everybody. It's time for another hotel tour. Sorry about the sound, because we're right by I-88 again. But as you can see, we're staying tonight at the Springhill Suites by Marriott. I don't think I've ever stayed at one of these, but it's interesting because all the rooms here are suites. So let's check in and see what we got. Zip you up. Hello, I have a reservation for Cook.
Daniel?
Yes, I've got an ID if you need it.
I do not, but thank you.
Sure.
You want the mobile key?
Yes.
And leave it on the American Express?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Busy tonight?
Yeah, very. All right. It's on the second floor. I also sent the mobile key to your phone.
Okay, cool. I'll check.
Elevator just to the right. And then
All right.
don't forget about breakfast in the morning, be 7 to 10.
Sounds good. Thank you. Have a good one. All right, here we are, waiting for the elevators. As you can see, they got a breakfast nook. I might come by tomorrow morning to check it out since it's open later. On the second floor this time. Go. Hello.
How you doing, brother?
Not bad, yourself?
Doing all right. Doing all right.
Why won't you open? Go. Mobile key saves the day. Alright, so now that we are settled and checked into our room, here's what we got. Little kitchenette area with a Daewoo microwave. Some eating utensils in there, clean. A Sanyo micro fridge, good and cold. Got a little work area over here. Got a couch that I think pulls out, possibly, I think. Got our yes, it does pull out because we got some extra bedding up there. And we got hangers and ironing board, luggage rack. Here's our little wash station, which is cool. Hi. Then we got our bathtub. I usually prefer walk-in showers just because they're more convenient, but this one will do. Let's check the water pressure. There we go. Good and nice. We even got one of those little massage spigots too. It looks like we got Alice & Co. body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Some nice fresh linens. Washcloth and the foot cleaner. And the toilet. A little flush. Kind of slow, but I mean, I'm only here one night. Got a decent sized TV. It's a little dark over here. This room doesn't have a lot of lamps, but oh well. And let's take a look, see outside. Nice scenic night view of the parking lot. And let's check out the bed. Give it a little bounce test. Oh, that's nice. Well, I'll check back in later maybe. I'm going to be ordering some dinner soon, and I will see everybody later. Thanks for watching.